Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today doing another 2 trades. I did 2 pound pairs. Could have done more pound pairs, but I took the 2 that looked the very best. I sold the pound Swiss and the pound dollar, and today's date is June the 26th. So I took both the trades at exactly the same time. This was at 9:41, and I closed them out both at the same time at 10:35. So this was less than an hour, around 50 minutes it looks like. So let's go with this first one here, the pound Swiss. Drag and drop it up. So we took the trade rate at this cursor here, as I said, at 9:41 a.m. New York time. Did go against me 10 pips, and I closed it out as it was hitting the ADR, and I was happy with the pip totals. Now the pips here is, let's run a check on that. That looks like about 14 pips. Went a little bit more, but I was happy with the totals. I was looking down at the bottom. I was happy with the totals, and so I just closed out both as they were around the ADR, which is this thick red line right here. Trading today, as I look for every day, the easiest way to trade is called a great way to trade, which is the way I teach how to trade the markets. And those 14 pips on the pound Swiss here, looks like it paid $2,051. So let's move on to the pound dollar. So we just drag and drop the pound dollar up here to see where I got in at. Exactly the same time. I took the trade here, and I closed out the trade, it looks like, with 30 pips as it was hitting the ADR right here. So those 30 pips on the pound dollar paid $4,128. So pip totals, it looks like I got 44 pips, and 44 pips paid $6,180. So for less than an hour's work, get in, grab the pips, grab the money, and my day is done. Before 11 a.m. New York time. I love trading using the magic trigger and combining a great way to trade. It makes my trading super easy. Market does the same thing every day. You just have to know how the market flows, and then once you realize that, then you just take the trades. So if your system is not producing like the magic trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it, and to do so all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write up. It's the magic trigger system. I do charge $250, and I have an ongoing special for another $50 more. I'll throw in my other top 2 trigger systems. It's the golden trigger and the pip trigger. So all 3 of them for $300 works out for $100 each one. So I call that deal of the week. Now my magic trigger system has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter, this one right here you're looking at. I would not trade without a meter, as it makes my trading much more easy. So there's a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents. That means there's a lot of education that should help your help you to succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, as you can see. So I teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why I give a lot of trading videos, training videos. There's 40 of them, plus I throw in 9 bonus videos. There was 36, and I added 4 more, and they're called Great Trade Setups. So my most favorite way of trading, as you're looking directly at it right now, it's called a great way to trade, and works like magic on a daily basis, and that's the reason why I call it, my system the magic trigger system. This is about as close you can get to the Holy Grail or a magical trading indicator. I love it. It brings clarity and brings me success on a daily basis. Now, within all of these training videos, I give a lot of trading tips. I teach how to backtest the magic trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. Now, I also teach how to trade pullbacks. This right here is a pullback. If it breaks through and keeps going up, then I call that a reversal, which I teach. And then I also teach how to trade the channel. In other words, we're buying low. Could have bought anywhere around this red line and grabbed some pips from there to there, whatever that is. I just checked it and it's about 26 pips. And that is right around the London close, which happens to be right here on this blue candle at 11 a.m. New York time. And this pound dollar also does over 100 pips daily range. I believe it looks like 111, and today already went 122. That's why this line is thick red. It's giving you a heads up or like a warning. It hit the ADR, so don't expect another 100 to 200 pips. In other words, expect a pullback. That's a little tip for you, just in case you didn't know that. Where was I? As I was saying, trading the channel, buy low and sell high, like sell up in this area. But only take the trade when things are looking good, including down here at the bottom. I call trading getting in right at the top aggressive, and if you wait a candle or two when everything is lining up down here at the bottom, I call that conservative. And usually the difference between here and here is anywhere from 10 to 20 pips. So if I see it up here, I'll grab it, and if not, I'll take it here. I was not in front of the computer at this time, not even here, but when I saw it here, I knew it was going to keep going down because the meter was telling me it's going to go down. I also teach how to trade the news and how to trade with a day job. This way here, you don't have to quit your day job. You can make money on your day job, and you can make money trading whenever you've got some time to pull up the charts and wait for things to line up. So if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. And if you live too far, all you got to do is send me an email. There's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and then we'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session, which will probably last about 45 minutes. So over many years I've been building a lot of systems, trigger systems, about looks like 26, and if you want to see some screenshots, all you got to do is click on this link. And about 5 or 6 months ago I did a review on my top 2 best trigger systems. All you got to do is click on this link, and after I merged these two together and came up with the magic trigger, which is my #1 trading system. And if you want to see a review on it, all you got to do is click on this link. And if you would like to get on my email list, all you got to do is send me an email and tell me your name and your email, and I'll put you on my list for some weekly trading tips. So that just about wraps up this video and this trading week. Had a really good trading week. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until Sunday night or Monday or the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.